What's good, YouTube? This is Country back with you with another video, and this is another video of my weekly update. And let's just get right into it. Oh, wait, before that, let me ask y'all a couple questions y'all can answer in the comments. Why y'all started trading, and what type of strategy do you use with your trading? Also, is you more on the forex side or you trade futures? Let me know in the comments below. But let's get into this video. And the first thing we're going to talk about is my Topstep update. This week was mostly a break-even week for me. I'm basically where I was at last week. So this week, just down a little bit. It's basically break-even. Basically see the equity curve stayed the same all week. After I've made a couple of losses, then this stayed stagnant all week. I really didn't make no progress. Then that's some of my stats. I'm right at 56% run rate at this moment. It's like I've been having winners, but my winners, I've been cutting them short. I don't know what's been going on with me. I guess because I've been getting close to pass, I didn't want to lose, so I'm just gonna let the trade go like I normally do and just get back with it. I've just been cutting wins and losses. As you can see, I traded 4 days last week and my days were just very average. $10 win day, 36. Oh my bad. It was $10 win day, $25 loss day, $70 loss day, and a $67 win day. So it's like my wins and losses is very small this week. So it really wasn't really much I did this week. It just everything just basically just was slow. So let me show y'all my trade evade, my weekly update on that. Here's my trade evade. Basically $18 downside this week, so basically break even. I call it a scratch week. I really would have been in profit, but fees and commissions got me basically what made me lose money to fees and commissions. And I have my wins. Since all my wins and losses was very small. They wasn't really small because I was down quite a bit on some days, and I clawed my way back up. Yeah, like even yesterday, I was down quite a bit, and I clawed my way back up to but this week it was not bad. I say break. I take this week any week. A break even week, I take that any day than lost money week because I manage my risk. That's all it came down to, managing your risk. So I applaud what I did this week, but this week I'm looking forward to making progress on this challenge. But I'm not going to force anything. But since also this is basically going to be a short trading week, but I get more into that when I check out those. But that's it for my Topstep update. Let's move on to what news looking like this week. All right, let's see what news we got this week. This week, it's a short trading week, as I said before. This week we have a bank holiday. So Monday, I'm not trading. I'm not trading Monday because we got a bank holiday. So I'm not trading based and in the futures market. It's gonna be kind of slow and choppy. So I'm not finna try to even jump into that. I'm not trading that. So I'm just gonna enjoy that holiday. But Tuesday we have no major news for the U.S. So it'll move, but not gonna move like how I would like. But it should still move. But everything gonna be preparing for FOMC. That's gonna be the big news driver of the week, and price is gonna be moving very fast. They're gonna try to get somewhere. And remember, FOMC have two. Basically, it have a fake move and a real move. So wait for them to do their fake move, then the real move will show. So be patient on that day. And I'm probably check it out afterwards and see what's going on, and probably catch a trade after that. Thursday we only got unemployment claims than usual, and we got PMI. So big day. So that's gonna be a good trading day because you can see what the market's trying to reach to, and then you can just play in the corridor. That's what I normally do. And Friday got a no news day at all, so Friday gonna be a light day, but we probably still moving, probably be recovering from whatever FOMC do on Wednesday. So news pretty light, not too heavy, and it's also a short trading week. So let's move on to what I think Nas gonna do this. All right, and we're back. All right, here's Nas 100. Last week, this is the weekly chart. Last week, Nas had a down candle week. So mostly it was a seller market for last week. I'm finna show y'all how I mark up. I'm going to start marking up my charts to see where I will see price try to dig into next week. We might, on this weekly chart right here, there's a fair value gap right here. We might revisit this fair value gap right here because, right here, we might revisit because we hit an all-time high again. We making highs. This is a buyer's, right this current time for me, this is a buyer's market. And so like I said, I do take sales, quick sales. I get 10 to 15 points and get out. I'm not holding sales because right now, as I seen, it's basically Nas been, you buy the dip. You buy the dip. You buy the dip. And if you not buying the dip, shorts getting burnt. So if you're doing the short, it's 15, 20 points and get out. If you can see a hint of Nas retracing for the dip buys, you get out because I done seen a couple weeks now when thinking about a short and it gets like 2 to 3 points to my TP and immediately shoots up 20 points and hit them stop loss and everything. So right now it really is a seller's market, but this is the weekly fair value gap I see price might dig into next week. It came close, but it didn't make it. It might dig into that because also I think let me go down to the daily. Yes, it's also part of a daily fair value gap also. But they haven't digged into that one yet. Well, it did dig into it, but it's part of the weekly fair gap, also inside of daily fair value gap. So it might catapult back to that because it already went through this little small fair value gap on the daily. Because I use these as landmarks to see if high price will react towards that. To see if I get a bounce or it's gonna shoot right through or something like that. Here's another fair value gap right here on the daily. So I use this to just mark out zones where a price go to react to. And right now it looks kind of choppy. So like I said, we got all-time highs again, and price dropped down real bad. It recovered and dropped down again. So that's basically how last week was. So I'm still thinking it's still by the dip. If we break underneath this low right here, let me show y'all this swing low. We break below this swing low right here, I might think about doing a quick sell from here till here, just to make it to this zone right here, and probably leave a runner just in case if it decides to want to shoot through here. So that's what I'm kind of waiting on, because that's what I'm thinking. That's how much price should move this week unless something drastic happens. When FOMC hit on Wednesday, it could go up or down 100 points and it would snap a finger. So, because they moved the market. So that's how I see so far for the market. I don't really have too much. I'm thinking I'll just buy the dip. Even if it even if it breaks this, I'm still might be wary of getting in for a short because it could just sweep this low, take out a couple stops, and shoot back up high. That's basically what it did with this. It swept it and immediately, and I say immediately, started going back up for the rest of the day, recovering for the rest of the day. So like I said, I've been waiting on moves to bottom out before I decide to take a buy or so. Basically, I'm doing some reversal trades because it looked like it's selling. So on this day right here, I caught the buy somewhat going up because you don't got to catch the full move. I just kept part of the move, and then when it got up to here and started to look like it was breaking down, I took short some of the move right there. But I was kind of nervous about those because it's been a buyer's market. So basically that's it. Yeah, that's it right now because I don't see nothing else that really tell me what now it's going. Basically right now, buy the dip. So that's what I'm gonna do, buy the dip. But that's all I got. I will see y'all in the next video next week. Maybe I'll try to get another video out this week. I don't know yet. Depends how much time I have. But that's all I got. Y'all be safe in these markets. Deuces.